Hi everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal and today we're going to be doing another ice yarn unboxing. Now typically with my ice yarn unboxings, I show you guys and give you a sneak peek of some of the projects that we have upcoming. Last week we just had an unboxing, so I'm still working on those projects, but I did run out of yarn while I was making my coat. This is going to be called Crystal Coat. The sleeves will be different texture than the body, but they look like little crystals to me. See, just like that. And so that's gonna have a little lapel. It's gonna have a border around it. I think I'm gonna put some buttons possibly. We'll see how it goes, but I did run out of yarn for this, so I had to order more. And that's what the Ice Yarns is. It's got a few of those, and then it's got a couple of other ones that I just wanted to check out. If you haven't seen already the Scrappy Blanket Cardigan on my channel, I'll leave the link in the description box below so that you guys can take a look. If you've got tons of scraps that you want to make, it's a really quick, fast project with an 8mm hook and double-stranded, so it definitely goes fast. Also, I just made these wrist warmers today. These cute little wristlets. Simple, basic idea and project, and you can go ahead and take a look at that. Once I get it up, I'll leave the link down below, but I just made them this morning, just filmed it. I'm not sure if this one's coming out soon first or the wristlets are coming out first, but we shall see. Okay, so getting started on this unboxing. I have got here Atlas. This is a 100% acrylic bulky 5-weight yarn. This is actually the same yarn as this. It's really soft. It's nice. It's cozy. Super cozy. I'm using a 7mm hook for this one. I can't wait for you guys to see it. All right, and so I did get a gray color because I do like this yarn. I also got some extra of that color as well. But this actually runs in a 4-pack, $5. And it comes with about 150 yards per skein of bulky yarn, which is pretty good. And that's only $1.25 per pack. And then you've got your shipping, which probably averages out to a little bit less than $1. So in my opinion, that's still a pretty good price. Next up we have Magic Glitz. I got the lilac, white, and silver color. This runs $6.99 for this 4-pack. Now this is a light 3-weight yarn. And I got it because it's got this glitz. I love purple. It's a purple ombre. You see that nice purple ombre? Light 3-weight yarn, and it's got the glitz inside. This is a 95% acrylic, 5% Lurex, and it comes with 360 meters. So that's approximately 400 yards, which is a really good price. And I've got 4 skeins of these. Next we've got more of the Atlas. Like I told you, that's to finish my sweater. My coat, that's to finish my coat. Get used to calling it a coat. Okay, this one I saw online and was falling in love with it. It's called Rosetto Worsted. It is in the turquoise, green, lilac, and navy color. The cost was $8.99. Oh, this is gorgeous. That's a really pretty color change. Ooh, I might order more of this. This might be really good for that cardigan, you guys. The purple cardigan that I've been trying to find a yarn for. It's kind of thin, but maybe I can just, I don't know. It's a very pretty yarn. You can see that there. And let's see, this is called Rosetto Worsted. It is a 30% wool, 70% acrylic. It is a 4-weight yarn. Really nice, soft. Oh, these come in 200 meters, so about maybe 240 yards. That's a pretty good price for this. $2 per skein. Okay. We've got another Magic Glitz here. It is in the purple, gray, purple, blue, and silver shades. Well, that's really pretty also. Same thing as the other one, a 3-weight yarn. Nice, very gorgeous. 360 meters and a light 3-weight yarn. I can't wait to use it. I'm going to use it for something. Got to. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I know this one was extra short, but I was unboxing my ice yarns because I needed to continue working on my coat. And I wanted to show you guys what else I got. So stay tuned for the upcoming finished projects. Go ahead and check out the scrappy blanket cardigan and the little super simple wristlets. And I will see you guys next time.